Students, today I am going to tell you the journal entries about issue of shares at premium. Issue of shares at premium. The amount of premium on the securities issued by the company shall be transferred to securities premium account. This is very important so far as company law is concerned, that the amount of premium on the securities issued by the company shall be transferred to securities premium account. Generally, premium money is received along with allotment money. In such a case, the following entries are passed. Bank account debit to share application account being application money received. This we already know. Yes, in our last class we have already discussed this for application part. And share application account debit to share capital account being application money appropriated towards capital account. This we know. Now, as I have told you, usually premium money is received along with allotment money. So, if premium is collected, what will happen? Share allotment account debit to share capital to securities premium or share premium being allotment money and premium money due on share. This is the journal for issue of shares at premium. Allotment account debit to share capital to securities premium. Now, next we know we will collect the allotment money. So, this is bank account debit to share allotment account being allotment money received. So, this is the only part, allotment part, where we will collect the share premiums. Now, we have a little bit of theory discussion regarding this premium. So, it is the Companies Act does not impose any restriction on the issue of shares at premium. So, any company can do this. Only prosperous companies, because of their financial strength and high earning capacity, are in a position to offer shares at a premium. So, only this is very practical, because only famous companies who have strong financial backhold, they can do this, because only if they can do this, public will go to them. Otherwise, if nobody knows a company, no one will go to them. The amount of securities premium can be used wholly or in part for. Now, this is how a share securities premium account or share premium account can be used. This is given in our Companies Act, how we can use this securities premium account. We can't go beyond this. Paying up unissued shares of the company to be issued to members of the company as bonus shares. So, can be used only as bonus shares. Writing of preliminary expense of the company. We can use this for writing of the preliminary expense of the company. Writing of the expense of or the commission paid or discount allowed on shares or debentures of the company. So, we can use this in so many ways. Writing of the expenses of or the commission paid or discount allowed on shares or debentures of the company. And last is providing for the premium payable on the redemption of redeemable preference shares or debentures of the company. Now, what is redeemable preference shares or debentures? Right now, we don't need to know this, because these are not in our syllabus, but once you go to the higher accounts, you will know the redemption of preference shares or debentures. But let me tell you that this share premium account can be used for paying premiums for redemption of preference shares and debentures of the company. So, that's all for today. We will meet on our next class. Thank you.